morning, boys and girls, and we're into Thursday already. It's Thursday, the 4th of February 2021. I hope you're enjoying the songs for Children's Mental Health Week. I know I am. I'm dancing around my living room every day. I wanted to tell you too just about in the coming weeks. Next week, we will have schoolwork again. In fact, I'm going in now shortly to work on packs of work for you, which I'm sure you're delighted to hear about. So next week we have schoolwork as usual from Monday to Friday. And then the following week, the week that starts on the 15th of February, is midterm break. So you're off for a week. So you can have a rest for a week. So this Monday coming, I will have packs ready for you to collect. And there will be 2 weeks of work in it. There will be work for next week. Then you get a week off. And then there'll be more work in your pack for the following week. So you don't have to do any work during your midterm break. So you'll have a week of work, a week off, and then another week of work, if that makes sense. All right, so let's get started today. So we'll start with the date today, and then after that, I'll try and remember to move on to our spellings. So if I miss out the spellings, make sure you shout loudly, "Mrs. McFadden, you forgot the spellings!" And hopefully I'll hear you. So today our date is Thursday, the 4th of February, 2021. So as usual, we're going to practice writing that on a piece of paper. And you can send me a little picture if you'd like. I've seen some lovely pictures of your dates and you're writing them so neatly and so clearly. I'm very pleased. So it's Thursday, the 4th, so that's a little TH, the th sound, February 2021. Moving on then to tricky words. Nah, just joking. Spellings first. So let's look at our spellings. Now, as we're into Thursday now, this is the point at which you should be saying the spellings before me. So you should be shouting them out before I say them. So I'll point to each one and give you a chance to say it. Off we go. Hot. Big. Bed. Mug. Cat. Bug. Leg. Very good. And now we move on to tricky words. And today for our tricky words, we are setting sail, and if we write the words correctly, we will arrive on a beautiful island. So let's look at our words today. We've got he, she, we, me, be, and you. So again, we're going to practice writing these words on our ships. So at the top we'll write he, and arrive on the island, and so on. Okay, and if you get a chance or if you have time, by all means, colour in your picture. And today we are doing some more cutting and sticking. So if you want to pause the video and go and get some scissors and glue, this would be the time to do it. And we are making 3-letter words. They're called CVC words. And the V in CVC stands for vowel. And that means that there's a vowel in the middle of your word, just like our spellings. And you'll see down here, I'm just reminding you of the vowels. We've got A, E, I, O, and U. So each of these words will either have A, E, I, O, or U in the middle. But I'm actually going to tell you that this particular list of words has A in the middle. So that will help you in making the words. We have a van, a hat, a bag, and a pan, okay? And you will see that there's 4 A's down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could start cutting those out and sticking them in the middle. And that's part of your word made. Now, then you don't hand over the rest of the page to get mummy to do it. No. You try to sound out each word yourself, okay? So we've got v, an, pat, bag, pan. And if there's someone working with you at home, if they could really exaggerate the sounds like that, just to really help you to hear them, all right? And then you look around for the sound, okay? And also you try your best to cut these out yourself, all right? If you need some help, that's fine. But as I said yesterday for another activity, I don't mind if these look a little bit wonky or not quite straight. I would rather see you cutting them out than someone at home cutting them out for you, okay? Because it's really good, as I said, for your finger muscles, all right? So we are making words today. And of course, if you have time, you can colour in your pictures as well. Now, our maths today looks like a page that we did another day earlier in the week. And it's similar to that page because it has adding questions and it has a number line. But the questions are bigger. The numbers in the questions are bigger. And our number line this time goes all the way up to 20. In the earlier questions, it only went up to 15. Okay? Now, we do just what we did before, though. We use our number line to help us. So question 1 says 10 plus 7. So you know what to do, don't you? You go to your number line and where do you stop? 10, that's right. And then you count on 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you get 17. Now, when you go on ahead down here, you will see questions like this. 2 plus 12. So, do I put my pencil or my finger on 2 and start counting 12 spaces along? Because I'm going to get very tired. Is there another way we could do this question instead of 2 plus 12? Maybe we could do 12 plus 2. Then we'll only have to do 2 jumps. So let's find 12 on the number line. And we're going to do 2 jumps. Much easier. 1, 2. And we arrive at our answer. And you can use that same strategy for this question. 0 plus 13. Now I'm sure none of you want to put your pencil or your finger on 0 and start jumping 13 steps. We would get so muddled, wouldn't we? So we start at 13 and then add 0. So off I go to 13, here it is. And I have to count on 0 steps. Oh, I don't have to go anywhere then. So the answer is just 13. So the top tip for this page, for each question, is to start with the bigger number in the question. Even if it's at the start or if it's at the end, start with the bigger number, find it on your number line, and then add on the smaller number. It will just make it easier for you. So that is our work for today, boys and girls. And of course, keep reading. Send me a message if you're running out of books. I know lots and lots of you have messaged me and I've sent you titles of new books. So I hope you're enjoying them and taking quizzes on them. And of course, we have our SumDog as well. So you can continue working on SumDog. Because as you know, we are the top class in the whole school for SumDog. P4, P5, P6 and P7 all use SumDog. And the results are showing every week that the best users of SumDog are Primary 4. So I'm very, very proud of you. And you should be very, very proud of you as well. Talk to you tomorrow when it will be Friday. See you then. Bye-bye.